Hello, welcome back in C++ program lessons. In this tutorial, we're going to write a C++ program that displays numbers from 1 to 10 and then print their sum using for loop control statement. Remember, we already learned how you can use control statement in the programming language. We have learned about selection control statement and loop control statement. In that loop control statement, we learned how to use this for loop control statement. Now, let us go ahead in a program. Let us make a declaration of our number, which is equal to 10. You see like this. Then, for now, let us do for loop. First, let us make the declaration of y, which is equal to 1. Means that our number will count from 1 to 10. Means that I must less than or equal to 10 as our maximum number here, and then I will be increment. Means that will be increment from 1 to 10. So we need also to make a declaration here of sum, because we need to use a sum which is equal to 0, right, with integer data type. Then here we have now to open the body of our for loop control statement. Then here of course here we have to display our numbers, right? Count I, then space like this, yeah, so as to display them horizontally. Now after this, we're going to find the sum. Sum will be equal to sum plus I. We will get the current sum and then plus I, which is counting from 1 to 10, right? Then after this for loop, we will display the sum of these numbers. Count sum is, then here our sum, we can put like here space and then sum like this, sorry, sum like this, right? So let us make compilation here to check whether our program is well written, and if not, we will make correction of these errors if any, right? Yeah, compilation of program. You see here there is error. Here we have it to put here data type integer like this, right? Yeah, and here must put here semicolon. Yeah, now you see there is no other errors. Let us run our program to see this are numbers from 1 to 10 and their sum is 55, right? So this is how you can write this program to count number from 1 to 10 and then display the sum of these numbers. And so thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.